Hey everybody, so I want to go over this Bitcoin setup because price recently hit the bearish target. We could see a little bit up here. It almost hit the bullish target and then it pulled back all the way down. Once momentum started, it did not stop and it continued crashing a little bit after as well. This is in total around a 10% drop. So I want to jump over here and start drawing some new levels and zones for you guys. Immediately, I'm going to label this one. And I'm going to round out all the numbers at once at the end. I want to get this zone as well. I would love if this was my untradeable area, but it's not going to work. This lines up. I'm going to lower it just a little bit. We want to try to get these lows as well. I'll probably make a zone right here, but not on the 4 hour. I'll probably go to the 1 hour. Down here, mark the lows as always. And we got our structure highs right here, trend highs, and then this is the highest high, but I'm going to ignore that for now. Probably for today as a whole. It's perfect. We can zone right here. And now we can make two different levels for untradeable or for aggressive bears. But I kind of want the bulls to have a larger target as well. This is a previous level. Don't know if I love that. It's okay. What if... Go back to the 4 hour and check it out. Yeah. What would this look like? And that's just such a wide trade. And maybe the bears need a fresher target than something they just visited. You guys can see these lows match these lows right here. New lows, previous lows. These actually almost line up right there. And maybe this can be my next target for the bears in the future, but not right now. Okay, let's jump back here because I need a second target for the bulls. And that is just too far. It could be here. Let's make this little note for myself and drop to the 1 hour. See what I can find. There we go, perfect. I can zone it. If I extend this one, let's do that. No, that's too low to that one. It might have to be. Somewhere around here. Okay. Let's round out all these numbers. 121 750. 121 750. Right here we'll do 119 300. 119 300 on those. 118 500. 118 100. 117 flat, and I want this to be a little tighter. We'll do 116 400. How's that look? Let's do 116 500. It's Bitcoin. They got a lot of room to move. That's fine. Right here, let's do 115 525. I would have loved to make that 115 flat, but I don't want to force it. We'll do 114 700, small area to look at. Right here we can do 112 150. Same thing here. And all the way down here we can have 110 or 111 flat, I mean. There we go. For the zones, untradeable. And then I will also be drawing the secondary zones as well. If you want to be less aggressive, that would be untradeable. This is going to be the first bullish target. We'll do this one as the second. This can be the first bearish target. This will be the second. Okay, I'm going to cut this really quick and have all the levels lined up for you. And there you guys go. So really quick, I can go over this once again. The bears recently just hit our bearish target after the bulls had almost reached the bullish target all the way up there. We have this untradeable zone where price is currently at, and we want to see price revisit the most recent structural lows if you are bearish. If you are bullish, you want to break this zone that I extended from right here, and it can actually match all the way back here as well. And you guys want to continue back up to, I guess you would call this the first lowest high of the bearish trend. Or the farther target can be the start of the momentum all the way up here, which was the break of a previous high as well. Bears, you can extend your target all the way down here, which is just matching this previous momentum, stop, and then momentum again. Here you guys go. Make sure you're doing your own research as well, and you're only using this as a slight guide or some form of entertainment, or even trade against it if you want to. You don't have to trade the same way I do. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.